is the little guy learning how to roll. He's trying to pull himself over. He almost gets it. He almost got it. Little guy just had his 6-month birthday yesterday. He was 6 months old. And we've been in the house for 3 months now. So we ordered blinds when we moved in, and they were back ordered. So they finally came in yesterday. So I'm installing them because you see the living room right now. I don't mind the sound. It's right on the main street. So people walk right by into our living room. So I already installed this one, and I installed that one. They're pretty easy. So these are from Blinds to Go. So all you do is install this like that up there. There's 2 of them, and then the blinds actually just clip in. Okay. And these are cool blinds because they don't have any strings or anything. You pull up like that. Better angle right here. So you open, to close, and then you just push up a little bit to open them like that. We also bought this 4-square from IKEA, from Target. We're gonna put the turtle tank there now. Bring them from upstairs so we can actually see the turtle. We feel batteries up there. And then we have storage for Henry's toys right there. And the seats from Boston Garden are gonna go up to the studio/office upstairs. Another project we're gonna do today is the bathroom windows. So now you can see the toilet and people outside in the driveway can look at you. So we gotta put a curtain up there. So this one's gonna be easy. This one's really small. So hopefully this fits. All right, like that, done. These things are cool because you can pull down some air in here like that. And then if you go in the bathroom, all you gotta do is tap it. And it closes and no one can see it. All right, Tommy's afraid of Ralph, so we put his food on there so he'll be less afraid and see if he figures out how to eat it as it's going. What's the matter, Tommy? You don't want your food? This is a snack. This is not really his meal, so we're not torturing him. Let's see. Oh no, you don't even know what you're barking at. You guys are tortured enough. You little snack. Hello, you crazy doggies. Yeah, we officially live in the country. There's a chair seat. There's a deer in my backyard, just hanging out, having a good old time. So little guy, we got these when we went to NASCAR a couple years ago, and it blows the fan that blows water. Keeping them nice and cool in these 80-degree days. And he keeps saying "Dada." Oh God! Hey Henry.
Daddy.
Henry.
Henry. Hey.
Hey.
Look up at Daddy.
Henry.
Look up at Daddy.
Hold on. Woo! Yeah, throw it to him. He just won the World Series. Woo! So in addition to the curtains, we went to Home Depot and we bought a bunch of wood. I had to buy 2x4s of plywood because I can't fit a 4x8 sheet in my car. And I didn't feel like getting it cut down. It was about the same price. And it's not really plywood, it's that OBS stuff, or OSB rather. I just need it for a table. It doesn't have to look pretty. So this is what we got so far. This is the table that will be Lego City at some point. So we're gonna close this wall eventually. So I have to make sure there's enough room here for a wall and shelves and to get the electrical box. So basically, wall, shelves. This table will probably shift slightly this way when it's all said and done. We're also building a wall here around the oil tank. So it'll kind of work its way. And then this table I think is gonna go up another 4 feet or so. Now this one is gonna change. I actually marked it right here. It says renovation removed. I don't know if you can see right there. But from here to where the wood is, when we do the renovation, because we're gonna put a wall here at the end of the stairs, when we redo the stairs, this is gonna have to take off because I need 3 feet to get into the rest of the basement over here. So from here, it'll be taken out. And people, when you walk, you're gonna kind of walk around this way. And we gotta figure out something to do with this, but. And then I'm gonna finish building this table, and you have one more piece to put in. And then we're gonna a few more pieces for over here. So I think we're gonna go to probably about there. And all right, it's now day 2 of this Lego platform. Right now I'm trying to construct where the water drop is gonna go. So I think I'm gonna do a whole Lego pier and a board, and I want to see what the differences of the table that I have to put up. So right now it looks like if I drop this down a bit, I could put the water over here and have these piers and stuff, and could build a beach and kind of build. I'm trying to think of ahead of time before I have to tear things apart. But this is one of the classic sets I have, the pilot boat and the giant ship, cargo ship and everything. So I want to try that right now, and we'll see how this goes. So I have to cut this piece of wood the width, and then drop it down, and then build another platform for the rest of the wood. All right, I actually skipped the step. I actually took the jigsaw out and I cut around the column, and I'm going to kind of incorporate this into a building. I think I'm going to try to do a mock around this of some sort and kind of make it work. But I wanted to get a piece of the OSB to see exactly what the width is, or the depth I should say. So when I place it on the thing over there for the layer, I know exactly what the platform is going to look like. So I get the drop down section down, and it's not 100% perfect because my floor is not level at all, but it may actually work to my advantage. Playing around with this a little bit, I might be able to make this work a little bit to actually simulate the water a little bit better, and like a beach, and almost kind of like a floor. But this is it. This is the water is going to be right here. The rest of the land is going to be right there. I know there's going to be an amusement park. I know there's going to be a marina. Eventually, there's going to be a subway that runs around the perimeter underneath with subway stations that go in. We'll figure that out when we go. But like I said before, a lot of this will be removed in a year or so. So I don't want to get too much going on over here, because when we're moving up to this point, 3 feet back, all the way over here. So this is going to be kind of a peninsula, and then more of it's going to go this way. So we're going to play it by ear and see how it goes. And yeah, this is it. So all right, so this is kind of an idea where the water is going to go. I measured it out. I need 35 water plates. So I have to get 35 water plates. What I might do, so I might make that a beach over there. So I might just need, I'm going to get 35 anyways, because I'll use them eventually, maybe if I build a river. But I might get some sand ones for over there and create kind of like a beach as well. We'll see. I have this cool base plate. It's actually from my sister's girl Lego sets from years ago that I'm going to try to utilize. It's kind of a weird color. It's I don't know if it's just dirty or not, but I'm going to try to clean it up. It might be just dusty. But cool little island in the middle, so why not, right? But major of the city is going to be over here. The airport's going to be over here, and the shuttle is going to be here. Everything's going to be near the water. It's going to be industrial and cargo. And I need to build the amusement park. The amusement park's going to be huge because I'm going to incorporate all my theme sets. So the amusement park's going to be over here. So what I might do is I might carve out this corner for the amusement park, have the city stuff here, and as the city expands, expand the city past the amusement park And I'm gonna go all the way down here. I mean, there's no stopping me now. I can go as far as I want, and I can go even further back over here, another, I don't know, 3 feet or so if I need to. So that's the plan. Now that I have a game plan and idea, and I can start ordering some things, I can start putting the city together, piecemeal over here. We're gonna have the airport. Actually, you know what? I think the airport might go over there, like Logan, along the water. And there's gonna be a shuttle, airport shuttle. It's gonna take you to like downtown where we have a parking garage and like the firehouse and all that stuff. And then I'm trying to think what else I have for city stuff, but we'll figure it out as we go. It's going to be a work in progress. But the amusement park's definitely going to be a must over there. It's going to be a pirate land. There's going to be a medieval land. There's going to be a Wild West land. I'm going to try to incorporate some space in there. It's going to be a space land. It's going to be kind of like a mock Disney, but not Disney. Eventually, I want to get a train around there. Like I said, there's going to be a subway that's going to run under here, and there's going to be stops. I'm going to cut out that you can go underneath there. It's going to be cool. So that's the plan, and we'll see how it goes from there. All right. So I wasn't going to do it, but I did it anyways. This is the water area we talked about the last time the camera was on. I cut out the underwater. So basically, I made an underwater area for my underwater aqua team pieces to go. And then I'm going to put a piece of plexiglass over this so the boats can still go on it and everything. So it appears that it's underwater. I'm going to paint this, spray paint it all blue right now. And then I'm going to get some lights that I'm going to hide behind Lego features, some LEDs, so it kind of lights up this area. So that's so dark blue, so it kind of looks blue and cool. And I was going to do more, but I'm going to do this for now because this is a part of the area, remember, that's going to be taken out during the renovation of the basement. So if I like it and everything else is cool, then I'm going to do a bigger version somewhere else. In fact, the version I might do might be the entire length of the table. In doing so, you'll be able to see where the subway is going to go because I'll have a tunnel that goes either underneath that. So it's going to be pretty cool. So we'll try to see how that goes. But let's spray paint it right now. Let's see, let it dry, and then I think we're get ready to start putting together the city. So, like I said, water's over here. Airport shuttle is going to be in space shuttle, and all that stuff's going to be over there. And then somewhere in the middle, we're going to start building the city, the buildings. And then way, way down there, it's going to be the amusement park area, the Wild West, the medieval castle, and everything. That's going to be down there. And then, like I said, once we expand on the city, I'm going to start. So this corner right here, from this pole, I'm going to give this the theme park area. So I have enough space for a road to go in. That's going to expand down this way once we add on. So, but I really don't know how much space I have. I think I have more than enough space right now. But I like the idea of being able to expand when I need to. All right, so I went ahead and spray painted all the water, I guess. So I mean, the reason I bought the can of blue spray paint was for the water. So I figured I might as well use it. This will allow me to not have to rush to get blue baseboards. The company I bought the last 8 from, they're out of stock right now. So I can't really find just blue baseboards if I'll have to buy in a variety pack. So this will allow me to be able to have a little more peace of mind. And it's OSB. It's not paint grade whatsoever. But if you look at it, it kind of creates like a water feature. So I figure if I painted this all like flat, it wouldn't look like water. But now it actually looks like water sometimes, like waves and stuff. So it actually looks pretty cool. So I can sleep better at night now, knowing that I have water. And the miracle of building this, if I need more water, I could just take water from over there. So ideally, I would like to have a river running through, I think. I want a river scene or something like that. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let this dry. And then I think we're ready to build. I think I'm ready to start putting pieces together. So next update, we'll start seeing buildings here. And the Legoland. Right, well, it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning, and I have work tomorrow. And I went downstairs at 10 to tinker around a little bit, and I did a little bit more than I was planning on. All right, so the paint has dried. I painted all blue in replacement for me. You have to use it in blue boards, which is actually going to work out good because it has a better look to it, and the boats will actually go better on it. So I can use those blue boards for the lake. I'm going to put in the amusement park or a river, but I have the marina built, and I retrofitted to get to the land because it didn't have a full pier. It had like a slant pier that you were supposed to, build off of a road. So I fixed that. I custom made that for now, so that works. The launch and load seaport, I had an extra full pier that is from a police station that I had. That was a pier police station, which I'm going to try to recreate somewhere. because I still got the instructions for it. And these are all the figures for both the seaport and the marina. This is where the aqua knots are going to go. I told you the plexiglass is going to go there. I also bought this recycling truck a couple years ago, which is pretty cool. So I built that real quick. It was already half built, so I just added that to it. And this, the creator set, the 3-in-1 house. So I actually forgot I had this set. I bought it probably 8 years ago and built it once and put it in a box. And it's a lot of these sets I haven't even touched in over a decade. And I was a little disappointed with the launch on the seaport. I was getting mad at my adolescent self because the last time I probably built that was probably in the late 90s. And I was pissed off at myself because I was missing some pieces. I got like 98% of the pieces, but I was able to find it in my bulk pieces that I needed over there. So, not the end of the world, but just pissed off that I was more responsible as a kid to keep track. But for the most part, everything's all set there. It's all complete. And like I said, I retrofitted to the road. And then I decided I had this island board, and I was like, you know what, this would be a great house to have like on an island. So I took the speedboat that I had, which was another set, and I got that in 5th grade on a Yankee swap in school. I remember that. And then I built a custom pair with the mailbox at the end and a little dude right there driving it. And I built that design of the house because I like that one the best. And I figured that'd be the fucking awesomest house to have in the middle of the water. So that's what that looks like for now. And this is what everything's looking like so far. I need more roads. Anyone out there have roads you want to donate or sell me, please let me know. I need as many roads as possible. I really don't like these ones. These are my old school ones. They don't even make them anymore. I want a traditional like DACA road, like the ones that they make now. So expensive, but I need roads. I have all this land to cover with roads. So anyone out there has roads that they're looking to get rid of or know someone who's selling them, please let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed the update. We're getting there. So next time you see this, we'll have more of the Lego City put together. We'll probably have pieces down here. I have to transport the pieces upstairs, downstairs, and then rearrange the office a little bit. But we're pretty much there. So thanks for watching. If you like us, please subscribe. And we'll see you soon. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.